Hi, in this video I will guide how to install Uncode Wordpress theme with demo contents. Go to WordPress dashboard and upload theme zip file. If you got any problem uploading theme via WordPress, you can upload to themes folder using FTP or cPanel. Once the theme is uploaded, activate it. In System Status panel, make sure it meets minimum server requirements. Now go to the plugin options and install all the required plugins. Wait until all the plugins are installed. Once the plugin installation process is complete, activate all the plugins. Once the plugins are activated, it will open WooCommerce shop setup page. If you are going to install a shop demo, then provide the necessary information. You can skip and add the info later. Now move to Import Demo option. Click on Import button and wait until demo data is imported. Once the demo data is imported, view the front page to make sure it's fully imported. As you can see, demo data is imported. If you go to pages, you will see 200 plus pages are imported. It may be a lengthy task to delete the unwanted pages. By default, index page is your front page. You can change it by choosing any other page as front page. Here I want to make shop retail as front page. In demo content, it will only import few images, so you need to replace the images with your own. In next video, I will guide how you change or edit the default text and images. Please like the video and subscribe our channel.